How much is self-respect important for you? And the things that happen around us, the situations that happen around us, they bring our self-respect down. Okay. And the more it comes down, it's not good for your health. Namaste, I'm Nehha Jaiswal, and welcome to my channel where you're going to learn a lot of meditations, practice them, do along with me, and improve your heart health, come out of high blood pressure, come out of anxiety and depression. Okay, so let's quickly begin this meditation where I will take you in a relaxing manner where you will relax your entire body, and then I will generate this feeling of self-respect for you, self-love for you. Okay, so let's just get started. You will have to have a quiet place to sit. This is for just 10-15 minutes. Put on your earphones, make sure they are wired earphones, and just take a sip of water and do it as I'm saying. Okay, just simply sit in a quiet place, put on your earphones. Let's begin. All right, so let's begin. Sitting straight, I want you to hold Hriday Mudra in your hands, which is a very powerful mudra. How you will do it? Open up your fingers like this. Okay, index finger on the base of your thumb finger, index finger on the base, two fingers on the tip of your thumb, and pinky finger straight or slightly bend also chalega. Okay, now both your hands on your legs, close your eyes. You simply have to listen to my voice. Relax, completely relax. When you inhale, your stomach should fill up, and when you exhale, you should squeeze your stomach in. Okay, with that, I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale from your nose, fill your stomach should fill up. Now exhale from your mouth as if you're blowing a candle, like a birthday candle. How we do? Very good. Relax. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Relax. This is Rechaka Pranayam. We will do it with counting now. Okay, 3 seconds inhaling and 6 seconds exhaling. Let's do it again. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Inhale from your nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Come back to normal breathing, but do not open your eyes. Simply listen to the music. Relax. Can you bring your awareness to your shoulders and relax your shoulders? Relax your neck also. Relax your scalp. Just leave your head, the muscle tension there. We sometimes hold our teeth, our jaws also. Can you relax your jaws, your mouth? Relax. And now slowly bring your awareness to your stomach and continue the breathing as if you're breathing from your stomach. Let your stomach very loose. Now slowly move your awareness to your center of the chest. And as if you're breathing from the chest, expand your chest when you inhale and relax your chest when you exhale. And now, can you bring your awareness between your shoulder blades in your back, exactly behind your chest? Can you bring your awareness there between your shoulder blades? And now I want you to inhale and expand your back. And exhale, relax your back. Completely relax. And now I want you to relax the muscles behind your eyes. Relax. Continue deep breathing. Completely relax. And now I want you to imagine yourself on a wooden plank, lying down straight in Shavasana. And this wooden plank is floating on a beautiful lake with blue color water. Just visualize this. It's very beautiful out there, and you're just simply lying, and you're able to see the bright sky above you, the limitless sky, the wind moving around your body. You can feel it. And let all the tension from your muscles, from your body, melt down into the water, as if there is no tension, there's no stress, only peace. As if you are ready to start afresh, as if you are ready to forgive that person, as if you are ready to change your emotions. Feel that fresh energy around you. And now I want you to imagine that you're taking care of yourself. Can you visualize yourself doing certain things only for you, not for anybody else? Like taking that walk, doing that pranayam, wearing your favorite dress, dancing, listening to that music, doing certain things, maybe any hobby that you have, only for yourself, without any condition, without any other intention. Can you feel that? And while you're doing this, I want you to feel gratitude, lots and lots of thanks to that higher energy for giving you this beautiful life, for giving all the beautiful relations, all the beautiful experiences. Be truly, truly grateful to that higher power. That creator thought about you and created you. That itself shows that the creator cares for you. Can you be truly, truly grateful? With that, I want you to place your right hand at the center of your chest and repeat after me. I will love myself more. I will take care of myself more. And I'm going to work for myself. I also take 100% responsibility of my body, of my emotions, of my health. And I will work on it. Release your hand, relax, come back to normal breathing. Once again, take a deep breath. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth and relax. Bring both your hands together in front of your chest into Namaste and rub your palms. Generate heat. Nice heat. And place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy. And slowly bring your hands in front of your face. Open your eyes. Look at your palms with a smile. Alright, so now you can move your legs. Have a sip of water. I'm just stopping this music. How are you feeling? Thank you so much for doing that. And I hope you're feeling refreshed and you're feeling a little more love towards yourself. And if yes, that is the case, then please let me know in the comments below so that I can post such meditations for you. And one more thing that, if you like the way I teach, if you resonate with me, then definitely subscribe to my channel. It will help me and inspire me. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.